Hello everyone, welcome to Zycoo channel. In this video, I will show you how to change security settings like intrusion protection blacklist and whitelist. The security setting is used to avoid the intrusion of SIP and SSH protocols on the network. When a certain IP address illegally requests the server within the specified time range for the specified number of times, the system will automatically add that IP address to the blacklist and block that IP address. And you can also manually set the IP whitelist to trust. Next, I'll demonstrate how to configure it. First, you need to log into the IP Audio Center and choose the Settings Security in the left navigation bar and click it. Then click on the Intrusion Protection option in the upper right corner to configure the relevant parameters. Users can choose whether to enable the intrusion protection service of SIP or SSH protocol. After choosing to enable the service, you can set an observation time in seconds, and set the maximum number of retries that allowed for the same IP address to access during one observation time period. If an IP address tries to access for many times and exceeds the maximum number of retries, then this IP will be banned for a period of time. The access prohibition time defaults to 86,400 seconds, which is 24 hours. After the settings are complete, click Submit to save the settings. Then click on the IP blacklist option. IP addresses in the blacklist is forbidden to access the system. User can view and delete the IP address in the list to cancel the access restriction to that IP address. Then click on the IP whitelist option. Users can add trusted IP addresses or network segments to this system. All trusted address and segments will not be subject to verification restrictions in the intrusion prevention. Click Add to add a new whitelist rule, enter the name of this rule, select the protocol that the rule will affect. Set the trusted IP address or network segment, fill in the subnet mask of the address, and finally choose whether to enable it. After the settings are complete, click Submit to save the settings. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please send them to our email. See you next time.